Hello wonderful viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CN on the screen and you are watching CN Great Counsels and Forex Trade. And in today's video I bring to you another powerful spike catching strategy. It's a killer strategy and it's very simple, straightforward and very short. Okay, and very shortly we're going to take on trades. Okay, this is crash 500. We're going to take on a sell trade. We want to catch spike. Okay, so let's take on trades right away. Okay, let's take on 0.3. yes, we're going to sell. This is crash. Let's sell right away. Okay, now we're also going to, we're supposed to take up to 2 trades. Okay, we're going to take 2 trades. We're going to take 2 trades and then I'll give you the conditions, the settings, and we're going to do back test. Okay, we're going to do back test. Just take a very good look on the chart so that when I start showing you things, you take note of them. Okay, you can always go through the video over and over again to get the details. Okay, but I'm going to try as much as possible to give you the settings, the conditions, the back test. Just take a good look at them all. Okay, now look at where I'll be making my marks on this. Yes, look at the crossing here. Okay, at the indicator window 1. Okay, and then look at the corresponding on the chart. Okay, on the main chart. Now both the indicator and the price on the main chart are at the overbought level. Okay, take note of that. Unlike this one now, okay, the indicator was at the overbought level, but the chart, the main market, the price wasn't at the overbought level, and hence it did not sell. Okay, but at this point now, both were at the overbought level, and look at it, it's going to sell now, and you will see it's going to crash. Okay, and you will see it by yourself. You see it by yourself. So that's one of the conditions. Now that is our exit. Our exit is when the crossing between the indicator would have taken place at the oversold level, just like I showed you now. Now that's the condition. Don't worry, I'm still going to talk about that. Okay, now let's do a little back test. Take a look at this. Okay, now look at the crossing whereby the red line crossed the green down at the indicator window. Now look at the corresponding price on the main chart at the overbought level, and look at what happened now. Next, look at the corresponding, look at what happened next. It crashed down. Where is our exit? Where is our exit? Our exit is this. Okay, when this crosses back, whereby the red crosses the green moving up, and then we'll exit the market. Okay, let's keep back testing. Let's keep back testing. Yes, look at this place once again. Okay, now take a good look at the position of the market. Okay, here look at the indicator, look at the crossing, and then look at the correspondence on the main chart whereby the market is already at the overbought level. Look at the crash. Okay, look at the crash. Okay, now that's what is going to happen on the current market. Okay, where we placed our market, our sell trade. Okay, now yeah, let me quickly do this. Don't forget that you are also looking at verified resistance level for crash. Okay, and for boom, you are looking at verified support level. Is this place actually verified resistance level? Yes, just take a look at where I'm placing my rectangle. Okay, trace it down. Of course, you can always refer to my videos on how to identify key level. This is a verified resistance level. Okay, now I just zoomed out to place this rectangle. Okay, but then the zoom level we are using for this strategy is the zoom level 3. Okay, the zoom level we are using is the zoom level 3, which is this. Okay, this is zoom level 3 that we are using. Now also, this is another thing you need to note. Okay, this parabolic SAR, once it is introduced up now, is going to be another confirmation, and if I want to take another trade, I'll place another trade. What we just did is a sniper entry from the indicator window 1, but we can take another trade when the parabolic SAR is introduced. Okay, so let me give you the settings now. This is fractals, of course you know it already. Okay, And then I also have my parabolic SAR on the main chart as well. These are the parameters. You can take a screenshot. And then I also have indicator window 1, and we have stochastic oscillators. You can take a screenshot of it because I don't want the video to be long, but then you have to really note the levels. Okay, these are the levels. 91, 90, 89, 11, 10, 9. Okay, and then the style is 4 pixels, color is ash. Okay, now you click done. Let's get back to the main chart once again. Okay, we are waiting for the spike. Very shortly it's gonna start spiking, but let's know if you can check other pairs. Okay, this is boom 500, and please, we are trading on 15 minutes time frame and sometimes 5 minutes time frame. So let's do a little back test on this. Look at the crossing here. Remember that for boom you are checking at the verified support level. Look at the crossing. Of course, look at the boom. Okay, it's spiked hard. Okay, so the crossing is at the oversold level for boom. Okay, and then the price itself must be at the oversold level at this zoom level on boom. Okay, please don't get confused. Now is this actually a verified support level? Yes, it is. When we zoom in to our normal zoom level we are using, which is zoom level 3. Okay, yes, look at it. Both the indicator and the price, they are at the oversold level. Look at the crossing and look at the boom. Okay, yes, and that's our exit. Okay, our exit is here. That place that I showed you. Now let's keep back testing. Now look at this place. Okay, look at the crossing and then look at the boom. Okay, and that's just it. Let's keep back testing. Look at this place as well. Okay, look at the crossing and the indicator window 1, and now look at the corresponding. Okay, and that's our exit. Okay, now we are still going to back test more. Let's see how it works, but then let's check our boom 1000. Okay, still the same condition. You can actually trade both ways with this strategy. Even you can use it to trade ticks. Okay, now look at this. Look at the spikes that happened. Okay, also take a look at this place. Okay, just a moment. Let's check out crash 1000 first on 15 minutes time frame. Now we were supposed to take this trade, but I looked at it that it's not gonna be tradable because it's actually gonna break. It has broken the verified resistance already. Okay, it has broken it because it has tested it severally. Okay, that's why you see this is breaking it already, even though it may spike again, but then it has broken that level, and because it has tested it severally. And don't worry, I'm still going to show you that, and I'll show you how many times. It has spiked already. Yes, that's what we're talking about. But remember, the parabolic SAR is yet to be introduced. Okay, and that level, it just spiked. Okay, now if you go to 1 minute time frame, you discover that this is a big spike already. Okay, and then it's going to spike down, but we'll keep watching it. Of course, this video is not going to be too long. But take a look at the spike, because I'm pretty sure it's going to spike again. Okay, and until we receive our signal to exit, which is going to be when we will have a crossing between the red line and the green line at the oversold level of the indicator window 1. Okay, whereby the red line crosses the green, moving upwards again. That's a very important signal that we should exit the trade. Okay, and we are going to see that right on this video, guys. So if you are new on this channel, please, and you've watched this, and it just spiked, Just take a look at it. Take a good look at it. Okay, take a good look at it. It just spiked. Another one. Yes, and then that is when the parabolic SRR was introduced. Just take a look at it. Okay, take a look at it. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, just stick to the instructions, and then I'm looking at it that the market is going to give us an exit signal very soon, because this market may likely find a support around that point that it is now. And if it is giving us a support level there, we may eventually exit the trade. Now take a look at the spike. Yes, it's actually spiking, and it may either spike again or give us signal to exit the trade. Okay, so but then this is huge already. This is huge already. So I like you to hit that like button if you are getting values from this very. Okay. The market is finding a support around this zone now. So we're going to, yes, as around this zone, this is a support already. Okay, so we may eventually receive the signal to exit the trade from our 15 minutes time frame where we are taking a signal. So this place is more or less like a support zone that is finding. So the market may eventually go up. Hence, we're going to take a profit anytime soon. Okay, of course, I'm not going to record forever, but then I believe you've taken note of the conditions for you to trade with this strategy. But you can always contact me. Leave your decent comment in the comment section below. Ask questions, and if you need guide, I will always be there to guide you. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the indicator window 1 to see if there will be signal for us to exit the trade, and that will be when the red line will cross the green line moving up. Okay, now let's check crash 1000. You see what I mean? It's still moving because it has broken this support. Okay, it tested it once, twice, thrice. This is the fourth one. Okay, and it's dangerous already. So that's why I did not take this trade, because the resistance level have been tested up to 3 times, and this is the fourth one, and this is breaking it, just as we can see. So always take note of your verified resistance, and when it has tested it for the first, second, third, then from the fourth one is no longer comfortable to trade that trade. Okay, but that doesn't mean it can retest even severally up to 9 times, but then we are talking about maximizing your profit and taking less risk. Okay, so if it doesn't spike again and it's giving us a sign, look at the indicator window 1. There's a crossing already between the red and the green. Okay, remember that is the signal for us to exit. Okay, no matter how it's going to spike again, we might exit because it's finding a support there and it's giving us signals to do so. Okay, so yeah, look at it. The support it has found is very obvious on M5. Okay, so please, many thanks for watching this video, guys. I really thank you for watching to this point, and don't forget to hit that like button if you are finding value in this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it, guys. Well, this video is getting long already, and I'm signing out immediately.